Unveiling the inner workings of a three-phase motor. The powerhouse of modern machinery. A three-phase motor, a cornerstone of industrial applications, is a complex machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical motion. Understanding its components is crucial for appreciating its operation and maintenance. The stator, the stationary foundation. The stator, the stationary part of the motor, provides the magnetic field necessary for the rotor's movement. It consists of three key elements. The sturdy yoke, a robust frame that encloses the motor's core and windings, ensuring structural integrity. The efficient core, a laminated iron core designed to minimize energy losses due to eddy currents. The powerful windings, three separate windings, each carrying one phase of the three-phase power supply. These windings are strategically placed around the stator core to generate a rotating magnetic field. The rotor, the rotating heart. The rotor, the moving part of the motor, interacts with the stator's magnetic field to produce mechanical power. There are two primary types of rotors. The squirrel cage rotor, a simple and robust design with embedded conductors resembling a squirrel cage. This type is self-starting and widely used in various applications. The wound rotor, equipped with a winding similar to the stator, connected to slip rings and brushes. This design offers more control over the motor's speed but requires external resistance. Beyond the core components. In addition to the stator and rotor, a three-phase motor incorporates several other essential components. End shields, protective covers that safeguard the internal components and provide a mounting surface. The connecting shaft, a crucial link that transmits mechanical power from the rotor to the load. Precision bearings, components that support the shaft and reduce friction, ensuring smooth operation. Cooling fans, devices that dissipate heat generated during operation, preventing overheating. The terminal box, a housing that contains the terminals for connecting the motor to the power supply.